do this. An official welcome to my vlog. I was gonna say good morning, but it's 3 in the afternoon and I've been putting off cleaning. But I had a headache, so that's a reasonable explanation of why we haven't started yet. So, welcome to my vlog. My name is Kimmy. Oh, I'm not Kimmy anymore, I'm Kim. That's my mom's name, but you can call me Kimmy. Anyways, we're gonna start doing our productive things. So you have to watch the whole video to see what we're all doing. So, but first, we're gonna go clean our room.
Yep.
And it's been super neglected. Like, that's the most neglected spot of the house. So we're gonna start with the hardest first, so. Even I don't think it'll be that hard. It's just like annoying. Alright. Okay, so the main thing. Hey, I'm talking. The main thing that's like always gets cluttered in our room is our laundry basket. And there's no basket there, so it's just on the floor. So our laundry, we need to strip the bed because somebody, some cutie, decided to throw up all over the bedding. So we need to get the bedding in ASAP because it takes forever to dry. It's just so annoying. And I want to rearrange the room because I'm that kind of girly who loves to rearrange stuff and have like a fresh, something fresh, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead, put this baby in time lapse, and you guys put on some music and we'll all clean together. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
Sounds good. All right, let's get started. But we just finished our bedroom and now we're gonna start tidying up just the main area because Cameron's brother's coming over. So we're gonna hurry and do that, and then we're gonna do the nursery. And I will probably show you either tonight, but probably tomorrow, the end product of everything because it's gonna be light out and it's like 4 o'clock or something. So yeah, I'll show you the end product of my room soon. But now we're gonna do our messy living room because, you know, sometimes your house just accumulates mess. So we did do our Sunday reset, and if you don't do Sunday resets, you need to do Sunday resets because it's pretty cool. You just start your week with like a nice clean house. But I don't know, I feel like we were really busy on Sunday, so yeah, we're gonna clean. Okay, the living room is finished. I'm gonna show you in a minute, and then our kitchen is literally the worst. Ooh, I don't even want to show you, but it's so bad. So we're gonna do the kitchen now. I didn't turn my time lapse back on, but it's getting better. I still need to do the dumb dishes, but Austin's here. He's worked in front of the time lapse too, and you guys missed his twerk.
Yeah, I'm upset. Actually, not.
My camera's dirty. Alright, good morning everybody. It's the next day. We kind of got busy yesterday watching our show. So we're finally getting to the nursery. So this is, one of them is 0 to 3 month, which, 3 month to 3 to 6 month, which is what he's going to be in next. And then the other one is 6 to 9, so that's going to go back in storage. We just organized that last night, which I didn't show, but it was really dark, so I don't think I could have been able to show it anyways. And then we're gonna take all the newborn stuff out, and he's still in 0 to 3, so we're gonna keep most of those, except for probably the like short sleeve ones because it's getting colder. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. And yes, and also look, Titus is in his crib for the first time. Oh, he's so cute. Also, I know you're not supposed to have stuffed animals in the crib. He's just laying there. He's awake, and we're going to be in here. So that's just a disclaimer. We know that you're not supposed to have stuffed animals in the crib. But how sweet. Okay, we finally finished. I don't know how long it took us, probably like 45 minutes, but it probably would have took me so long if I didn't have Cameron. So I want to show you the inside of the drawers and where I put what and what just makes sense to my brain, and maybe you guys can get some inspiration as well. So on this side is all like the tops and onesies, and then sleepers and pants. So Cameron, pay attention as well. He's trying to stay with the baby, but I understand. So this one is 0 to 3 month, just onesies. This is strictly 3 month because some of them are just 3 month. These are like little bib things, like cloth bibs for split up. This is 0 to 3 month long sleeve. This is 3 to 6 month all onesies, short sleeves, like they're really good for layering. And then he's good. And then this one is 3 to 6 month long sleeve. Got it? And then these are all sleepers, so like footies and like thicker footies. What is this one?
0 to 3 pants, 3 pants, 3 to 6 pants.
Awesome. Okay. And then in this drawer, I switched it around. These are socks, gloves, and just little like softer shoes. This is swaddles, and like all around here, there's like little spacing, so we just put the burp cloths here because we go through burp cloths like nobody's business. This one, these are like bibs and carrier wraps and towels. This one is empty for now because we have to do some laundry. That's gonna be like the holiday stuff. So we had a lot of Halloween and Christmas stuff. It used to hold like extra diapers, but we had a whole bunch anyways that we just put there, so we're just gonna keep them there. And then this one, I believe, is just like extra storage, like his month-to-month pictures, and a lot of our shoes are in here, and just those are glass containers for whenever he's eating food. So just extra baby stuff. So
We're getting it wet. They're gonna make rings on them.
Okay, and then we're just gonna tidy up this room because like these chairs were in here because we were in here using them. These 2 totes, that's 6 to 9 month, and then that's newborn for our next baby. And yeah, I have to figure out what we're gonna do about this bassinet because he doesn't really use the bassinet. But yeah, I think that's it. All right, I'm gonna go do some laundry. I need to wash Marlo's bed and like fluff it back up. Probably the bath mat and the front door mat. I need to do some dishes, but other than that, I think that's the rest of it's our video. You were in it a lot and helps a lot, so.
My name better be in the title.
Your name's not gonna be the title, but thank you guys so much for watching. Please like because it really supports my channel, and obviously subscribe because we're pretty cool. And look how cute my baby is, even though he screamed at almost the entire time. But I will see you in my next video on Saturday. Bye.